Hello, Aquarius. How you doing? Get ready for your reading, Aquarius. I remember this time, y'all. So hit that like and subscribe, and buckle your seatbelt and enjoy the ride. Cause we about to what? Take this in stride. So you might want to grab your seat so you won't have to put me on repeat. So let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I used to freestyle when I was younger. With my nephews and stuff. We used to do some stuff. I used to rap with them. Used to have the beats, had a little karaoke and be going off. But for right now, we about to go out on Aquarius. So, ooh, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, oh, two. Give me some general messages for Aquarius. My hand's getting kind of tired. I done recorded a few videos. I got to get back in the habit. Oh, it's time for you to put those positive affirmations to work, Aquarius. It says set your intentions, manifest, journal. Almost. It's time. 56 or 11 could be of significance, or 2. You could be born February 11th, February 1st. But set your intentions. You can be a January Aquarius. Oh, yeah, because hurt people. I never knew how strong I was until I had to forgive someone who wasn't sorry and accept an apology that I never received. Expectations, attachment, and disappointment. There's still some disappointment attached to you. This could be blocking your manifestations. Give me 2 could be of significance, or the number 4. You could be born on the 4th of February. Yeah. See, you're trying to process your emotions right now. You're going with the ebb and flow of things. You're being told this is your intention. Write down your disappointments and your expectations, your attachments, and identify what has truly hurt you and release it. Oh, give me one more for Aquarius. 10, 2 and 8 is 10. You could be born on January 28th or the 22nd, or you can be born in 1956. But illusions, delusional facade. Something is not as it presents itself, Aquarius. Yeah. Own your shit. Take accountability, responsibility, and beware of diverted blame. Oh, also be careful of someone trying to put the blame onto you. Yeah. You were dealing with someone that was hurt and they hurt you. All right, Aquarius. Give me Aquarius. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the bottom, we have reflection. Take time to revisit the past and figure out what you want to do. Knowing what you don't like will show you what you truly love. Prickly situation. You need both tact and diplomacy to reach your goals. The struggle is worth the prize. Work around the issue and use a gentle touch. This is a very sensitive situation for you. Give and take. Be open to giving and receiving to keep the flow of abundance going. Give someone a chance and ask for what your heart desires. Yeah. Ending. You may leave a position or be terminated. However, There's always a new opportunity ahead. You may change careers entirely. Some of you are manifesting a new job. You got it. You need a step-by-step plan of attack to reach the next level. Get the advice of someone who is already where you want to go. Sorry, y'all. Itchy skin. I guess I need to start putting on lotion. Oh, okay, we done with that part. Now, let's get to the energy of your person. Give me the energy of the person on your mind. Wait, no. Give me the energy of the person. No, I want to do something different for you, Aquarius. Get a different deck. Give me the energy of the person on Aquarius's mind. I'm going to use my Lover's Tarot deck, Love Oracle cards. I got them off Amazon, y'all. Give me the energy of the person on Aquarius's mind. The person on Aquarius's mind. What energy are they in right now? This person feels like what they've built is falling apart, but they're figuring out they have the strength to build new. So this person is crumbling. Yeah, over an ending. This person is pretending that it's not ending, but it's time to let go and make a fresh new start. So this person is being pushed to build something new, but they're pretending that things haven't ended. Fierce. They act aggressive, but they are just protecting themselves. They need to soften their heart so they can feel again. Leo energy. Yeah, this person feels so far away physically and emotionally. They want to see if they can rekindle the passion again. This is someone wanting to rekindle again. Tell me more about this person on Aquarius's mind. The person on Aquarius's mind. And y'all know what? I'm going to go record Pisces and then a Fucus. Give me this person. Yeah, this is someone that's afraid, being very cautious, walking on eggshells right now. They're afraid of something. What is this person afraid of? They're afraid of things falling apart. They're very afraid of some type of secret being concealed, like some type of secret. Tell me about this secret. Too many. Let's see. What is this secret? What is this secret? Yeah. They're concealing how they really feel. This person feels left out. Some of you could have walked away from this person. This hurt this person. And they're trying to hide it. They're trying to hide their pain and how they truly feel. This person feels abandoned. And they're hiding it from you. They're trying to conceal it. They're behaving kind of cold to try to hide this. This is this person trying to protect themselves. Tell me about this ending. Yeah, this ending is causing this person to be unstable, go through an emotional storm. Like, it definitely, this ending affected them. Yeah, and now they're uncertain or unclear. They're confused. Tell me more about this. Yeah. Non-committal. Tell me more about this confusion. Yeah. This person is stressed about this forbidden non-committal sexual energy. There's a lot of tension, a sexual tension that's brought up as this person focuses on this ending, and it causes them to have emotional issues. Like, the person hurt. Tell me about this fierce, acting aggressive. Why are they acting aggressive? Yeah, because they miss you. Like, you know, they miss you for real, but they're acting aggressive so you won't know that they're thinking about you, that they're missing you. Yeah, this person wants to apologize. They want to bring peace into the situation. This person is trying to, oh, tell me more about this. Yeah, they're going to confide in you. This person wants peace. They're going to take a risk by being more vulnerable with you. Risk it for the biscuit. I want to use Finding Fate deck, y'all. What does Finding Fate has to say about this for Aquarius? Aquarius. What does this person want to say? Yeah, they're still attracted to you. There's still passion there. They want you to know that. They want something more traditional with you. Could be a Taurus. They want commitment. This is someone that was very non-committal at one point. Yeah. They're receiving divine guidance, but yeah, they're being guided to speak their truth. They want to confess something, but I feel like Spirit has exposed something too, that this intervention needed to happen. And my phone going off is saying that. Yeah, we got Virgo. In solitude, this person is definitely thinking about commitment, marriage, or proposing to you. Yeah, in the wintertime for some of you. Yeah, it could be a Sagittarius. Tell me about this. Yeah. 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 Divine Feminine, you could see this person as old news though. And I feel like that's what scares them the most. But there's a Sagittarius too. That could be old news too. That's being very blunt. That came out. Alright. New love. I'm searching for a new love, baby. Oh, tell me the potential. When can Aquarius meet a new love? New love. One more. New love for Aquarius. When will they meet this person? New love. Very soon. Could be during a stormy night. In December for some of you. In December. You could meet a Sagittarius or a Capricorn. But very soon, some of you are going to meet someone. It could be in December. Tell me about this new person. No, I forgot. Tell me about this new person. We're going to shuffle this. So now I know I ain't got to shuffle that deck. Give me... Aquarius. When will they meet? One more. This new energy. Tell me about this new energy, this new love. This new love. I'm getting sleepy too, y'all. This is definitely going to be a healing connection for you. Your romance will transform your life. You and this person are going to heal each other. And wedding bells are ringing. So this could be someone you marry. Bells will be ringing. Ooh, yes. And as you get to know each other, you discover you have many things in common. So you and this person will definitely be bonding, if you get what I mean. Yeah, and this person is going to share real feelings with you. That's my accent come out sometime, y'all. I'm sorry. But you share true romantic feelings worth exploring. And this is going to be an unexpected connection where opposites attract. So this person is your opposite. Tell me more about this person that Aquarius will be meeting very soon. Yeah, see? This is a healing connection, y'all. This is a healing connection. This is definitely an improvement from whatever you've dealt with in the past. I'm going to do 4. Yeah. This is going to be someone that's going to be very patient with you. This person could be a musician, y'all. But there's definitely going to be a lot of music making here. There's going to be harmony between you and this person. But, yeah. This person could have a gambling addiction, though. Because addiction and roll the dice jumped out. Yeah. Yeah. They could have a toxic attachment, drugs, or alcohol, or an obsession. This person could have also just gotten out of a toxic relationship because they're heartbroken. That's why I say this is a healing connection, Aquarius. You both are going to heal each other. I feel like this person will let go of that addiction for you. Which is always a plus. So you could be a goody two-shoes, but this person is not so much. But this person is going to have true feelings for you, and they're going to want to marry you. Now tell me more about this person. That could be a third party trying to interfere in this, but this person doesn't truly care about him because I've seen the King of Cups in reverse. They don't love them, but this person still tries to come in between. Tell me more about this person. Tell me more about this new love. Well, be careful. This is someone that's a show off. They kind of come out kind of loud. They like to take risks. Like I said, tell me more about this Knight of Wands. Yeah, be careful too. Yeah, this person is kind of sneaky though. Be careful of this person trying to juggle. So this person could be a little toxic. I don't know if it's this person or somebody else, but in reverse, if this was a past person, upright, if this is the new energy. Like, damn, is the world filled with cheaters? This could be the past person energy showing up. Give me the new energy, the new energy, the new person. Yeah, this person, yeah, this person that wants to marry you, they could tell you something about something that happened in their home as a child. Tell me more. How would they know? Yes, but this person is new. They're going to come in with a new beginning. This is a new love. They're offering you their cup. Tell me about this Ace of Cups. They're going to outpour. They're going to tell you everything that they've been through. Yeah. Could be, like I said, as a child. Or they could tell you how they came into this world. I feel like, I hate to be specific, but I'm getting in my head. Somebody's mother conceived them in the worst way possible. And this person is still holding on to that pain because their mom kind of took it out on them. Look, we're going to get off of that. Yeah. See? Negative patterns. This person is trying to calm some inner demons with the Temperance card underneath that. So, that went where I didn't want it to go. So, Aquarius, I hope you enjoyed this reading. Till the next time, sending you peace, love, kisses. Catch you later.